welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video, we will talk about the best weather app for Android devices. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Store. The first one is Carrot, Carrot. This is the best free app for weather forecast. Now we talk about the second one. What the forecast? A very good app for the weather forecast. Already 1 million plus downloads and 22 MB is the property. Third one. The third one is also a very good application for the weather forecast. Also 1 million plus downloads and 4.5 rating. Two more apps. Maybe you found these app on iOS platform. These are the Appy Weather and Overdrop. Available in this region, maybe in your region, and the second one is Appy Weather. Not available in this region. Maybe you found this application in iOS. The 5 best weather apps for Android and iPhone. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Take care. Bye bye.